welcome to the Learning Ladder. Today I'm sharing with you what I'm getting my daughter for Christmas. These will be her under the tree gifts. I will do a separate video with her stocking stuffers. For age reference, my daughter turned 12 in the autumn. Okay, so we'll start with clothing first. So we always get Christmas pyjamas. Some years we get matching, others we don't. But this year we did get matching, so we've got the Grinch ones. I thought these would be fun and festive, but I always like it when they're comfy. I don't like it when the pants are super tight or anything like that and you're just feeling uncomfortable. So I always go for comfort in mind with Christmas pyjamas for certain. The next item I got her was a toweling dressing gown. She specifically asked for this. We stayed in a hotel recently and they had toweling dressing gowns, and she absolutely loved it. She thought it was the best thing ever. I've always bought, my dog wanting to come in, I've always bought cozy, like fleecy style dressing gowns in the past, and she's never really been a huge fan of them, but apparently this is what she really wants. I got this toweling one. This one's from Next. I did size up. I got her a lady small just because they were super expensive. This was like £40 just for a dressing gown. So yes, I got her this, and hopefully it's going to last. It looks really good quality, so fingers crossed. Okay, moving on to some toys that she asked for. So she asked for the Magic Mixies, the lamp. She loves the Magic Mixies. She has fun with them still. It's fine with me. I'm happy to buy her toys for as long as she wants them. And what she does is make her own experiments in them afterwards, which she really enjoys. So she wanted the lamp. And I did get her the little refill kit to go with, because otherwise it goes really fast in terms of, I think you only get one or a couple anyway of attempts in here with the ingredients to make it do its stuff. But this one, obviously, you've got the 80+ refill pack. She also wanted one of these ones, the Gem Surprise ones. So I got her that one. And the Magic Mixies Mix Links. I think this has got 2 in here. She loves the Miniverse balls. So I got a few different types. She loves the Mini Growth and she's been collecting those. So I got the Series 2 pack of those. Then I saw they had some of these new ones, Harry Potter Make It Mini Potions, so I got 2 of those. I was so tempted to get the potion set, and I still really am, but it was £49, and I'm thinking, is it really worth that? And then I saw it reduced to £29, I'm thinking, maybe, so I might get that, I don't know yet, but basically you build it yourself, the little potion lab, and you get some extra potions with it. But for now, she's got the 2 Make It Mini Potions. She also has an LOL Surprise Mermaids, a Make It Mini Food, and a Make It Mini Lifestyle, and that's the second potion one. For a fun game this year, I got the Funkoverse strategy game. This is Alice in Wonderland themed. I love the fact that you get the 2 characters, and Alice in Wonderland is one of my favourites, and she really loves it too, so that is great. I'm really happy that she's an Alice fan too. But basically, it looks like a really cool game. You get all these different, they kind of look like gems. I don't know if that's what they look like when you actually get them out, but and it looks like a fun game, so I'm excited to play that at Christmas. So it's 10+, 2-player, 20 to 60 minutes, so perfect length game. The next item she got was this Rainbow Corn Monster Corn surprise. It's really cool because it comes with wings, which looks really fun. She also wants the Rescue one, so I'm still on the lookout for that one. So hopefully I'll be able to find it in time for Christmas. She asked for a Furby this year, so we got her this one. It's the rainbow themed one. I watched a video on it to see how obnoxious it was, and it wasn't that bad actually, so I wouldn't care anyway. I'd still get it for her, but it looks like a fun one, so I think she'll enjoy that one. So I think that's it for toys, which is sad because once upon a time our Christmas tree was full of toys, but you know, we're moving on up with the ages. Let's move on to books. So I got her 2 this year. I got her the J.K. Rowling's Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban. This is the Mina Lima one with all the interactive, I don't want to open it, but also got all the interactive pages inside with Lift the Flap and all kinds of fun stuff. They are absolutely beautiful. So we've got the first couple, so now she's just got the 3rd in the series. And then I also got her Weird But True. She loves the series from National Geographic. This is the 2025 one. It is lots of interesting facts about all kinds of different things, and she's been collecting this series. Okay, so moving on to some more craft type stuff. I got her this Crazy Compound set. So it's got slime in and foam and softy dough. She still loves playing with slime and all kinds of squishy stuff like this, and it's got all different glitter and beads and everything that you can make your own with, so I know she'll enjoy that. I got her this A3 drawing board. She loves to draw, and she often likes to draw on the floor. So I thought this would be perfect because, you know, it's a harder surface, and when she's lying down on the ground drawing, then at least she can have this board to lean on as well. She's really gotten into sewing this year, so I got her this Easy Sew Puppy and Kitten set. I like the fact that all the material comes with, and I also bought a big bag with 1 kilogram stuffing so that she can, you know, stuff them with extra if they don't come with enough. But I've also got her some fabric, which I'll talk about in a second. But I like this one because the fur looks, in the material, looks actually like fur for some of them, so I think she'll really enjoy that. I did also get her some material. So this is a multi-pack of different fabric. So it's all animal themed, dogs and cats, I think. It's got different, she loves pugs. It's got all different cats and dog prints that I know she'll have fun with. And I got her a 1 kilogram bag of stuffing, which I've just left upstairs because everyone knows what the stuffing looks like. So she can, you know, stuff her creations with whatever she makes. And then I also got her a little portable sewing kit. We do have the big sewing box, but I thought this was more portable for her when she's, you know, just working by herself in a room and things. And it comes with quite a lot, so you get all the different threads, thimbles, needles, pins, all kinds of stuff. So I think that'll be useful for her, and she'll have fun with it too. This is kind of a joke present, but not really. She's always stealing my tape dispenser. I can never find it, so I thought, right, I'm going to get her own large tape dispenser. So I got her this one, and I got her 2 packs of tape. It's funny, but she'll actually really like it because she loves making things out of cardboard and stuff. And then I also got her this nano tape magic kit. This is the cute animals one. So basically you seal it, peel, and then you can make your design. So this has got all the kit and everything inside that you need to make the fun little animals. So I think she'll have fun with that kit. I also got her some air dry clay. She loves, as I said, being creative and making things, and making videos as well when she's made the creation. So I thought this would be a fun one. We've had similar things in the past. This one's got 15 cans in, so that'll keep her busy for a while, and you also get some sculpting tools. If you watched my video last year, we started this tradition of getting her a pillow with one of our dogs on, or a cat. So this year we decided to get Quinn. It was so funny though, I actually showed it to my dogs and they thought it was a real dog. And I even showed it to Quinn and she was like, huh? Is that me? Doing a double take, it was hilarious. So yeah, it's really plush. It has a zip and everything with the pillow inside so you can wash it. I got her like a kind of like a play sofa for her room last year, and the best thing I ever bought. She absolutely loves that thing. She's always making different creations with it, and she likes to put obviously the cushions on the sofa, so now she'll have 2. She's got Lexi and Quinn. And then to go with, I got her a personalised blanket last year, but this year I decided to just get her a regular one, but it's Cavalier themed. So we have 6 Cavaliers, so it's got all the different types of breeds of Cavalier that you can get. Ours are the tricolour ones. Ours are the tricolour ones. What am I talking about? Ours are the Blenheim ones, like this. Those are the tricolour. But yeah, that's what ours look like. So she's got an extra nice cozy blanket for her sofa. She loves Pokemon, and I got her 2 different sets this year. So this one is the Shrouded Fable series. Looks fun to me, but she apparently really likes it, so that's all that matters. But yeah, this is the particular one she wanted. And then I also saw this one, and I thought I'd get her this one as well. This is the Handstone. It just sounded fun to me. I have no idea with Pokemon cards, but I know she said she wanted the ones with the gems on, so I'm sure she'll be happy. But it just looked fun because it's a ghost dog. That's the only reason why I picked it. But I'm sure she'll like it, and as I said, it's got the gems on, which is what her prerequisite was, so that looks like a fun set to me. She did get a Nintendo Switch last year for Christmas, and so we got some more games. So she wanted the Super Mario Brothers Wonder game. I saw this and I thought it looked fun, so this is the Grinch Christmas Adventures game. I got her Animal Crossing, and then just Monopoly because I thought that would be a fun one for us to play together. On Black Friday, I saw the Echo Dot was on sale and decided to go ahead and get her one. She loves listening to music, so I thought this would be perfect because obviously you can get the Amazon Music if you have Prime membership. It's not the full package, which is like $9.99 a month, but just the free ones. So she'll be able to obviously listen to music, but you can also ask it questions and stuff, and I know, I'm sure you all know what Echo Dots are, but we've never had one, so I'm excited for her to have it and also to have a little play with it myself too. Okay, and then a final gift is a big gift this year, and she got the iPad Air. I did put it in a case already, so she's got, I think it's actually like a bluish grey colour one, but I put it in this pink, well, it's more like red. It said pink, but it looks more reddish to me. Case. So this one is the M2 and 256 gigabytes. They are expensive, but I know that she'll take really great care of it, and it'll be really useful for one thing that I specifically wanted, and that's for her to draw with. So as I mentioned before, she loves to draw. She's always making her own books, illustrating them and everything else, and she always does it by hand. And I thought this would be perfect because it'll allow her to try the digital medium of, you know, design. So the reason why I wanted to get her an iPad is because then she could use Procreate. And I don't know about you, but I cannot find an Android app that is similar to Procreate anywhere. So I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna go for it, take the plunge and get her the iPad. This is we don't have any other Apple devices. Well, we didn't, but we do now. So this will be the first time she's actually used the iPad system, because we're all Windows or Android. But I know she'll pick it up really fast because she does with tech, to be honest. But the main reason I wanted it was for the Procreate app, so that she can you know, make all her digital creations. And I'm going to put that on ready for her, so she's got it ready for Christmas Day. I did get her the pencil, which you do have to get separately. That's the only thing I don't like about Apple, and I'm pretty sure everyone's pretty much the same now, is that every single piece you have to buy separate, which is super annoying. So you've got the iPencil Pro to go with, and then I had to buy the plug, which is the base thing that annoyed me, because it's like, why does it not come with a plug? I mean, you have to charge the thing. It's just crazy. Anyway, the power adapter, and then I also got her the USB-C headphone jack, so she can use, she already has headphones that she really likes. I got her last Christmas, so I didn't bother getting her the Apple. She actually prefers it over the ear ones, so I got her the USB headphone jack, so she can just use the headphones that she's got. So I think pretty much that is everything. The only thing that's missing is I'm trying to get the other Rainbow Corn rescue one that she wanted, but I think everything pretty much else is here. I had to wait a while for a couple of bits, but I think it's all here. It's one of those things you sat there looking at everything thinking, is this it? But I think it pretty much was. But anyway, I'll show you all the stocking stuffers in an upcoming video. And that's everything. So thanks so much for watching. Let me know what you're getting your children for Christmas. I always love to hear. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye for now.